Hello, and today is part 2 of fading my red hair. I tried color correcting the pink by making a green shampoo, but it didn't work. Then I tried dyeing it green and leaving it on for less time, and that made matters worse. My hair was now pink and green. The color fading mixture that I used in this video is the same as the one I used in my other video, which I will link if you haven't seen it. I may have added some conditioner this time because the mixture is drying to the hair, and I've been doing it for a few weeks and I needed to add more moisture to my hair. Unlike other times when I have color faded my hair, I decided to use heat this time. I wanted to see if I can get as much color out as possible. So I heard that adding heat makes the color removal a lot quicker and can get more color out. I let it sit on my hair between 30 minutes to an hour. The first round of color fading, I managed to get all of the green out of my hair, but decided to do it a second time just to see if I can get even more of this pink out. The second time applying the color fading mixture is a lot easier to apply because the hair is already wet, so that step you don't have to do again. Now I'm applying my deep conditioner. I like to let deep conditioners sit on my hair for 30 minutes to an hour just so that my hair has time to absorb the moisture, especially after the color fading, which tends to remove a lot of moisture from my hair. After rinsing out my hair, I style it. I apply a leave-in conditioner, detangle my hair, and then I seal the hair with an oil. Then I apply my styler. A lot of stylers tend to take a longer time to dry on my hair, so on days where I spent a long time doing my hair, I like to use a mousse because it tends to take less time to dry, and I don't like going to bed with my hair still wet. When I decided to film me fading my hair, I kept my hair so that I can show how it has progressed from the deep shade of red that it started and how I was able to fade it without using bleach or developer to get it to the pastel pink that it is in this video. That's all for today's video. Thank you for watching me fade my hair. In my next video, I will be showing you how I prepare my hair to be bleached. I go through the entire process the week before I bleach my hair. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you would like, subscribe if you want to, and until next time, drink some water, eat a snack, play with a fidget toy, and enjoy the rest of your day. Bye!